Hey everyone, welcome to another Lionel trains review. Today we're talking about a very common but most overlooked Lionel Postwar accessory, the 6019 uncoupling track for 027 track. Lionel introduced this item from 1948 to 1966 and is only meant for 027 gauge track only. This could uncouple and unload at the same time. These are a little hard to find today with a very nice wire. As you can see, this one, the wiring is almost new. It is very soft and pliable with no mold or cracks. Most of these are found with the wire either missing or massively corroded. This one looks to be never used. They're also hard to find with a nice box with both flaps. These uncoupling tracks are rough on the original boxes. As you can see here, this side's missing a inner flap. But to find one with a nice box is special. Especially one this clean. This box looks like it's almost back in the 1950s all over again. Look at this. It's pretty impressive. So it's nice to find them in collectible condition. They're very cool when they're like this. They're very common, but hard to find in collectible shape.